Hello guys, we have a new workflow here today. It's a voice app into CRM. The last one I shared with you, it's having a WhatsApp as a trigger, which like start with WhatsApp and going to pass a lot of HTTP requests before we move to the AI agent. With this new workflow, we have a middleware, or let's say our application that going to provide us all the steps we put together from the voice handling into like getting the getting the text from the voice, then move it to the wizard, which is our AI agent that will handle the data and parse it. They're gonna move it to our CRM and give us a notification via email. I already have here the Carbon Voice is like a website that provide us everything, as you see in their documentation. By the way, I really recommend you like using this. It's kind of simpler to handle the voice and provide you with a very specific like what you say, what you see is literally what you say, what you drop to him is like transcribe it and provide you with a good quality transformation. Without any further talk, I will try to move here with this voice I already recorded. We're gonna go with it and see how things gonna go. Let's try to launch our voice without scratching anything. I will drop the voice here and see how things gonna go. Here we go. It's go like he transcribe all the voice we give him, and he give it as a sent. Once it's sent, it start handling it. It's a couple of seconds. It says the 5 seconds. Then we're gonna get all the data handled and send it to our CRM. We're gonna check here. All the workflow pass faster than you imagine. You got the data here. It's like the name is John. Then we have, let's check. We have the name is John, the email, the phone number, and like the note. Basically, like it's handling everything from A to Z. It's handling all the data. With the Carbon Voice, there is like a couple of stuff that you can do, like between like getting the notes, bullet the summary, clean up the data, and etc. But that's not our thing. But is in CRM, like you drop the voice call, the voice, then you're gonna get the data here. Basically, it's super simple. I would like you to try this Carbon Voice. They have a very like easy documentation to handle. If you are technical, it's going to be super easy to handle the installation. The AI agent is like the bot father in Telegram and those stuff. It's super simple. You can handle it. You can use it. If there's any issue or anything, just drop me a message. I will try to help you here. For this workflow on this data, you're gonna find it in my portfolio website. I will drop the link in a post later. Then if you check here, you're gonna find that like we got a notification about our CRM update. This handling for Notion, but it can go for anything like a light CRM or a big CRM like HubSpot or those big SaaS. All right, so guys, this is the video here. It's super simple. I'm gonna see you later, and thank you for watching.